Well, our laboratory generally deals with what we call electronic materials, and we're interested in synthesizing new materials and characterizing their thermal, magnetic, electronic properties for potential applications. Much of our equipment needs active cooling because it's operated at high temperatures, such as the furnaces, or at very high power levels. And in particular, one power supply we have operates at about 10 kilowatts of electrical power, produces a lot of heat. So that needs to have active cooling.
Yeah, we have several chillers. We have one large chiller that cools 2 pieces of equipment, and we also have 2 standalone chillers that cool single pieces of equipment.
We like to be sustainable in our water use. We don't want to just use city water and dump it down the drain. So we use closed cooling systems with a finite capacity of cooling water in them. And the unfortunate consequence of that is that water can pick up debris, corrosive products, etc., as it's used over and over.
In the large chiller, we did have a problem with corrosion. When they installed the system, they used some type of ferrous piping, and they just used regular tap water. And before we moved into the lab, that tap water sat in the pipes for several weeks. So when we got here, there was a thick black sludge at the bottom of the chiller tank. So we had to flush the system with regular water, and that solved the problem temporarily.
We were told about OptiShield from one of the vendors of the equipment that we have, who suggested we use it to help inhibit the corrosion that was causing a problem.
Yeah, our filters were getting dirty very fast, but once we used the OptiShield, we flushed the system several times, and it actually cleared up pretty fast.
It essentially cured the corrosion problem that we had, and we haven't had any real problem with it recurring in any of the units.